Trump and Stormy Daniels case. You felt like the judge in that case should have stepped down?
Every trial lawyer I know that looked at that said the judge was way wrong. He should have excused himself. I've been listening to decades worth of lectures about judges need to recuse yourself. If your spouse, one of your children has an interest in the outcome of an action before you, you're supposed to bail on it. He didn't. The other thing is, remember when I said earlier, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you are the judges of the law and of the facts under the direction of the court. The judge did not charge the jury with the proper law under New York law. One of the things is you cannot bribe somebody to conceal a crime if there's no crime to be concealed. In other words, as part of the crime, the state had to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that there was an underlying offense that hush money was being paid out to hush. The thing of it is if you have to pay somebody hush money to be quiet and it doesn't involve criminal activity, you got blackmailed. So what effectively is going on is Stormy Daniels blackmailed Trump. And instead of prosecuting her for blackmailing somebody, they prosecuted the victim of the blackmail. I think what they did is they threatened to prosecute her for blackmail if she didn't cooperate. The other thing, letting in all that salacious stuff about sex and how it went down, that was totally irrelevant to the case. That thing about other sexual activity was totally irrelevant to the case because the issue was, first off, was there a crime that was to be hushed? There was no crime. She said, I wasn't, it was consensual, I wasn't drunk, I wasn't high. So it was a consensual matter. That's not a criminal act. So there was no crime to be hushed. So you cannot be convicted of being paid hush money to hush something that's not a crime. You got blackmail.